If you don't survive, my baby will die too. Saving my little girl. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Watch over her.
Judy.
И все твои обещания